dig in. I am starving. Ooh. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mark Too Funny, and I am back with another mukbanger.
Bad bitch don't remember. Soaking wet like the river, ice cold like the summer. Nigga blow like the winter. She love when I'm deep, deep in the earth sprinter. Bad bitch don't remember. Soaking wet like the river.
Y'all new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click that notification bell. And always, when you come through, please like the video. Like it, you guys. Today, we are going to get into some goodness, y'all. I'm talking about goodness. Chili cheese dogs. I know y'all see that. Yeah. We're going to get into this goodness right here, y'all. And then I got some chili on the side. Some good old chili, y'all. Good old chili. And we're going to get into some of that too, man. I got that chili from Wendy's. Some Mountain Dew. Got us some crackers in the back here. Napkins. Our spoon. Boom. All right, y'all. Let's get in. Dig in. I am starving. Look at them dogs. Boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna pour some chili on that. Put some chili on it, y'all. Ooh. Got them dogs on there, y'all. These are the dogs I'm using. New Orleans style. Beefs. New Orleans style beef sausage, y'all. Let's try some of this chili, y'all. Get some of that chili action. Let's try some of Wendy's chili. I think it's okay, y'all. I think it's kind of sweet. I don't really like sweet. Ooh. But yeah, I don't really like sweet, y'all. These beef sausage are good. Especially with the chili on top. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. Don't that just look good? But how y'all day been, y'all? How's y'all day going? How's y'all day going? Hopefully everything been good. Life treating y'all right. I Always remember God will never put too much on you that you cannot handle. So believe wherever you're going through, you will make it out of it. For sure. I believe in you. It's a little positive message for anybody out there that needs to hear something like that, you know? You'll get through it. Let's start digging into another dog, y'all. Because it's a dog-eat-dog world. Look at this. Put some onions on that boy. Some more onions on that boy. Like the onions be hitting, y'all. I don't know. That cheese with the onions and the chili flavor be busting. Then it's a nice gloomy day today. Well, not nice. It's a gloomy day today. Rainy. And I think I'm getting sick, y'all. It's not good. Brooke got the flu. And we in the same house, so sleep in the same bed, so you know what that means. I'm next. I'm next. If y'all new to the channel, please hit that like, comment, subscribe button. I appreciate y'all. Also, if you're new to the channel, type in the comments what city or state you're calling in from. Where you watching from, you know? So I can know who be watching and supporting me. Like what state, what city, what country. I'm gonna give y'all an honest review on this soup here right now. Or did I say super chili? Either way, it looked like fucking soup. I don't think it has that much meat in it, y'all. And then it got like some sweetness to it. I don't like that much sweetness to it. I like a little kick, and it don't have that kick to it. So I'm gonna have to get this chili 4 out of 10. Like a 4 out of 10. Comment down below, what's your favorite chili and what place? From what place? All right, you guys, that's the end. My name R Too Funny. Until we meet again, you guys. Ooh. Peace.